Hiccups driving you bonkers? I've got the cure. First up, try holding your breath and swallowing 3 times. It sounds weird, but it works. Next, drink a glass of water, upside down. Don't worry, you won't defy gravity, just bend forward and sip. Another trick? Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. It's sweet relief for those annoying hiccups. Or if you're feeling adventurous, bite into a lemon. The sourness shocks your system and might stop those pesky spasms. Still hiccuping? Try pulling on your tongue. Yep, it's a real remedy, not a prank. And lastly, have a friend scare you. Sometimes a little surprise can do wonders. So next time you get the hiccups, skip the frustration and try these fun fixes. Happy hiccup-free living.